Good day folks, and welcome to the Frustrated Dropshipper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an existing order so that you can add a new product at a discounted price. Now, Shopify itself does not provide any ability to add a discount to an existing order, nor does it give you any ability to change the product price when adding a new product or exchanging a product inside of an existing order. And I chatted with the Shopify support and they weren't able to provide a solution. I looked for a few apps, but I didn't see anything that fit my needs that wasn't overly expensive. So I thought of a way that I could actually do it without costing anything, but it does have some drawbacks. So when you place an order on Shopify, once the order is completed or once the order is created, the price of the product is set. This is saved in the database, and it doesn't matter if you go back to the store and change the product price. It's not going to change the price inside of the order itself. So knowing this information, I said to myself, well, what if I change the price of the product just before I add it to the order, and then once it's added to the order, I can change the price of the product back again. So I tested that, and that works perfectly. So I can go in, edit this order, and before I add the product to this order that I want to give at the same price or at a specific price, I can go in and change the price of the product, save it, add it to the order, save the order, go back and change the price to what it was originally. Now, there is some drawbacks to this. One, when you are changing the price of the product, you are changing the price of the product on the store. So if you got anyone on your store and they're browsing that product, they're going to see the product at $30, and then they come back 2 minutes later, the product's at $19. They refresh, and next thing they know, it's back at $40 again. So that's a problem, or that could potentially be a problem, is if you have someone on the store interested in that product at the exact same time that you're modifying the price of the product temporarily. And that could cause some frustration. You might get an email saying, I was just about to buy this product, and as I was going through the checkout, the price increased by $20. What happened, or whatever. As well, you just don't want to create that confusion on your website. So whenever I was doing this, I wanted to make sure I get this done as fast as possible. So I get everything ready to go. I'm all set. I make the changes, boom, 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 then everything goes back to normal. And with that, there might be a fraction of maybe a minute to 2 minutes tops on the site where that product was cheaper for that short period of time, and then it went back up to normal. So if you're getting a few thousand visitors a minute on your site, that could produce a lot of complaints. But I've been doing this now for a couple months, and I have not had one person contact me to say the price went down and back up and they're not sure what happened. So I think you should be fine. So in saying that, I'm going to show you how I do it and how I prefer to do it so that it's the fastest way possible. So I like to make sure that I have everything in front of me, and I want to make sure that I don't forget anything, or if I screw up, I can undo it. So the way I like to do is I like to have the original order on the screen. Then I go ahead and edit and open it in a new tab. So I have the edit order on a new tab. So I have the original order I can reference at any time. And then I have the edit order screen that I can go in and make my changes. Then I'll go ahead and bring up the product information itself. So this product here, I'm going to exchange this product from a medium to a large, but I want to give it at $47. So I'm also going to go ahead and bring up the product information itself. So this is the awesome blue silk tuxedo. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up this product. Now, the way that I like to do it, just makes it a little easier to work with, is I use the bulk edit tool. So I'll go in here. I'll take all of the variants. I'll open the bulk editor, and right here we have the pricing. Now, just because I have a bad memory and I don't want to screw things up, I'm going to go ahead and put the original price here in the compare at price, because if you have original price is $60 and compare it to $60, it doesn't show on sale on the website. It doesn't do anything. So I'm going to be changing this large shirt to $47 to match the medium, because I'm going to give the customer the new product at the same price as the old one, so they don't owe me any money. And I only usually do this if the product is a couple dollars or like 50 cents in the difference. If it's something like this where it's 17 extra dollars, I'm going to have the customer pay the difference. But if it's only a dollar or two and I don't want to go through the hassle of sending the customer an invoice to pay a couple dollars, I'm just going to go ahead and give it to them at the same price. Or if there was some sort of problem, or if we made a mistake or anything like that, then I can go ahead and give the customer the same price. So I'm going to give this large shirt to the customer for $47. So the first thing I want to do is put the original price here, so I know exactly what it was beforehand. So right now I'm all ready to go. I have my original order here showing that the price of $47 and what shirt it was. I have my edit order here showing that where I can go in and make my changes, and I have my product here. So to make this as fast as possible, the way that I would do it is I would have everything set up like this, and then I would go here, I'd go 47, I'd save it, wait for the confirmation to be saved, I go here, I go ahead and add the shirt, make sure it says 47, click done, remove the old shirt, and now you can see the amount to collect is $0. We can send a notification to the customer, and now we can click update. I don't know what email I have here. Hopefully it doesn't create problems. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update. That order is now saved. Quickly go back here, change this back to 60, and save. So now on the website, for that, I don't know, 45 seconds or so that it took me to do that, it did show on sale for that little period of time, down from $60, and then it went right back up to $60 again. So that's a great way of doing it. Plus, if you have to compare at pricing, instead of showing the price dropped and the price went back up, it shows it went on sale for a few minutes and then went back up. So if there's a customer on the site, they might just think that they missed out on a sale. So now that the order is modified, you can see here that now they have the large one for $47 and the medium one has been removed, and the difference is $0, and the customer didn't notice anything. If we go back to the original order here and refresh, you'll see here that they got the large one for $47. Even though we changed the price back to $60, it doesn't change the price of the order. So this is one workaround to allow you to add a discount. So you just, instead of adding a specific discount, you just give them a discounted price, or to modify an existing order to exchange a product for another one, but give it at a specific price or to match the price of the one that you're removing. So that's it. This is a quick little video for today to show you how to edit an existing order and set the price of the new product you're adding to the order to whatever price you want it to be. So hope you found this video useful. Don't forget, if you like the video, if you like the video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you're notified of more videos. As I've said before, my goal moving forward with this channel, and my goal all along, I guess, is to create these short videos to solve specific little problems or give you specific little tips to help you use Shopify better, to use Klaviyo better, to do the little things to run your dropshipping business, and little things that I might have found that was useful. So I really appreciate it if you did go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. There's a lot that I do on the back end with my stores, so it's a bit of trouble trying to fit in the time to do these videos. So any support that you provide is greatly appreciated. Have a great day.